Hi, thanks for watching. My name is Nick. I'd like to provide an overview of the new iProbe we've recently released. Weighing in at only 1.5 pounds, constructed of aerospace grade carbon fiber so that not to be affected by any thermal changes while measuring. The new probing system can be extended to track the probe over 32 feet away or 10 meters. With the probe's new extended lengths and advanced algorithms, it makes it easier to capture hidden points or hard to reach areas while allowing the operator to still take measurements even while multiple targets are blocked on the probe. To get connected with our probing system, first select the connection status icon on the right-hand side. With the probe turned on and nearby, we'll select the Wi-Fi symbol in the connection box and then pair it with a probe that it's found by clicking the Sync button. Now that we know it's connected, we can go under the Other tab, select Probe Management, and here is where you can add a new probe diameter and select it as the active measuring device to use. Here we can really highlight the usefulness of the new features the probe has, such as the longer range or ability to continue tracking even after a couple of the targets have been blocked, either by your hand or the part that you're measuring. You can see when measuring two-dimensional features, the software will prompt you to use an existing plane or measure a new one. You'll want to know which option you chose so that you begin by either probing a projection plane first or the points on the feature.